Battery-powered devices are everywhere, from medical wearables to industrial tools and automotive products. But as electronics become smaller, smarter, and more exposed to harsh environments, we must rethink the way that we protect their components. How do we protect the battery itself? Today, we're breaking down whether batteries can be overmolded, how the process works, and why low-pressure molding is a game changer.
The short answer is yes, batteries can be overmolded. Overmolding encapsulates the battery with a protective material, ensuring its reliability and longevity. Overmolding safeguards the battery from debris, moisture, thermal stress, vibration, and mechanical shock. Several battery types are well suited for overmolding, such as lithium-ion batteries, lithium polymer batteries, and coin cell batteries.
Low-pressure molding is a specialized overmolding process designed for sensitive electronics like batteries. Unlike traditional injection molding, low-pressure molding utilizes lower temperatures and less pressure, making it ideal for sensitive electronics. The material, with a temperature ranging from 350 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, quickly dissipates heat as it encapsulates the board and the heat escapes through the tooling. Low-pressure molding materials also have amazing adhesive and sealing properties, creating a strong bond to the electronics.
Just like batteries, capacitors and energy storage devices can also be overmolded. At Cavist, we've successfully overmolded numerous assemblies containing capacitors and energy storage components.
Reach out to Cavist to learn more about low-pressure molding for batteries, electronics, wearables, and beyond. Our team can help you evaluate feasibility and engineer a protective solution tailored to your application.